Hello guys, welcome back to my video. In this video, I will show you the difference between two Bexchange application, Red Bexchange and the Blue Bexchange application. There are two types of Bexchange application, red one and the blue one. So in this video, I will clearly describe difference between Red Bexchange and the Blue Bexchange application. So let's continue the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I will talk about some hidden facts of Bexchange application that many people ask from me. So watch this full video to clear your all doubts. Factor number one. First factor and most important factor is that this application is real and 100% working. Okay. Now I'm going to open this app. And the factor 2 is that you must need fresh login details to log in this app and withdraw your funds from Watch Wallet. If you have fresh login details, then you are able to withdraw your funds. Otherwise, you cannot withdraw funds from Watch Wallet. Now I'm going to log in this app with fresh login details. This is fresh login details. Now enter these details into the app to log in the application. So I successfully log in this application by using login details. If you want any tools from me, then contact me on my WhatsApp contact and on my Facebook. I will give you all tools real and genuine. This is fresh login because you can see there's no transaction history here. That means this is called fresh login. Or if you see any transaction history or last transactions, that means your login has been expired or already used. You can't use this login again if you see any transaction history. Now click on withdraw BNB funds option. In this section, you have to choose local wallet. And remember one thing that you must need fresh login details to withdraw your funds. If you don't have any fresh login details, then you can't be able to withdraw your funds. If you need any tools or fresh login details and any information related to Bexchange application, you contact me on my WhatsApp contact and also on my Facebook. I will guide you and also give you all tools with login details. New video. In this video, I will talk about some hidden facts of Blue Exchange applications that many people ask from me. So watch this full video to clear your all doubts. First of all, remember one thing that this application is really working and real and withdraw your funds from Watch Wallet. Blue Exchange application is working in all countries over the world and this is recently launched with latest version. If you want any tools, application and login details, just contact me on my WhatsApp contact and also on my Facebook. My WhatsApp contact is showing in my screen and also is in my description. Now I'm going to login this app with login details. This is the login details of Blue Exchange application and remember one thing that you must need fresh login details to log in the app and withdraw funds from Watch Wallet. If you have fresh login details then you are able to withdraw funds from Watch Wallet, otherwise you can't be able to withdraw funds from Watch Wallet. So you must need fresh login details. Now I'm going to use these details to log in the application. So I successfully log in the app by using login details. Now you have to click on withdraw BNB funds. After click, this type of interface appears on your screen and you have to enter your details here. And now I'm going to show you some proofs of withdraw of this app. But before that, I wanna tell you something that I have all real and legit tools. If you want any tools of app and login details, you can contact on my Facebook and also on my WhatsApp. be frankly and friendly. You can contact me on any social media, Facebook and WhatsApp.